in the air. That's this. Yo, he's right behind him though. Look at the helicopter. That's crazy. You see the Coast Guard boat over there? Huh. That's sick. Look, he just slowed down right there. That's the Pace boat, I think. Oh, they're waving the flag. Thing. Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me. It's really good.
It's good? Damn. I think just of this section though, because that's where like they're gonna bring people in. So the races are about to start. Yeah, look at the jet ski. We feel the thunder. That's freaking sick. Coconuts on the beach. All right, starting. It's starting. Started in 1:30, a little behind schedule. Supposed to start at 1. The lifeguards are getting everyone out because this is like the bay where they bring all the people that get hurt. Thunder on Coco. Yo, Dill's way out there. What is he doing? That boy's being a boat.
He's trying to get lost in Riptide.
Oh, look at all the jet skis coming in. Just chilling. Everyone's at the beach today. That is sick. Look, all the jet skis are coming in. Look. How do they bring that thing in now? They get a side by side? They just drag that thing in here. The Yami's coming in. Another Yami. Beached, baby. Oh my goodness. Look at it skating, bro. Oh! Dude, it's going like 100 miles per hour right now. Look at that rooster tail. Oh, doesn't that just make your heart pump? Jeez. Heart's out of my chest. Like $500, right, Marcus? Or $400? Who's the green one again? All right, so 450 Mercury's power, 39-foot cat. Look at that. Oh my gosh, just floating. Just floating. Look at the cat. Bro, oh my goodness, dude. My heart is pumping. I'm tachycardia. I'm so tacky. Look, it's coming again, the green one. Ever coming to one of these race boat events. Definitely coming back. Got Dill, we got the whole fam here. Dill, Marcus, Cassandra.
Well, it doesn't go that far right now. But I mean, it's still.
Flight, bro.
How's the quality on there?
Really good. 4K 60.
Damn, that's
insane.
Good. You can zoom in on it too, just $5.
Yeah, 1 by 2, that's it. You got like 2 zoom.
Yeah, let me video you. Let me see. Just do like where you're at.
Yeah, dude. So we're like in Coco Thunder.
Are we videoing
right now?
There we go.
Oh, you're videoing yourself right now.
Oh, hell
yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, brother. How do you flip it?
Flip that.
How do you flip it?
Tap that twice.
That's not Verados, buddy.
Those aren't Verados?
No, bro.
Pro R's. I mean,
What the hell? Matt, tap this twice?
yeah, tap that twice. And it's gonna flip.
Oh, gosh.
So go to Marcus. Marcus, Lake and Bay sponsor. Lake and Bay, if you guys want to give him a vote, give him a vote.
Lake and Bay, buddy.
There's Cassandra. I got you,
Hell
Mark.
yeah.
I got you. Does it go out?
Shout out to Coco Thunder. Freaking bringing out the best boat events. They got the Mercuries, Verados, the Cats, Mystic, MTI, Skater. We just saw them running right now. Literally, utterly insane. Best event coming back again. Fam, bros.
Shout out to Auto Door Store.
Shout out to Auto Door Store, Orlando, sponsor. Sponsor this event.
That's sick.
Hell yeah.
It kind of moves with you.
Yeah, it's a gimbal.
Like wherever you're leaning.
Yeah, so it's all sturdy and stuff.
Yeah.
It's sick. Well, see, I'm running by. Look, this is that white one. Oh my god, look at this, it's getting flight right now. That's a skater, I think, because look at the gunnels. See how it's deep? That's, what's his name? What's his name? Peter what? Peter Bevan? Peter Yellen. Hell yeah, my man. Look at your boat's running so good. Oh, might be it. Hell yeah, Peter. Hell yeah, Peter. Oh! Yeah, that boy got flight. Jeez. So yeah, look, oh yeah, if you guys don't know, there's two. There's a steering, someone's steering the boat and someone's throttling the boat.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so someone has the throttle all the way, controlling the throttle, and then the steering. Yeah. And then we got a little plane in the sky.
Oh, shit, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's a two-man crew.
Wow.
This guy's always on the gas, wherever this yellow and white cat is with the Mercs. On the gas, dude. Wow. That boy don't let go of the throttle. Photo finish, but the helicopter and everything. Oh, he let off there. Oh my gosh.
One with my phone.
He wants to eat the camera.
It thinks you have food.